Alright, so the part 2. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and draw the perimeters over here. Now before we can do that, because we're going to make a selecting color and a color when it's not selected, so the player knows what item he or she is on. In order to do that, let's go back to our... we can close draw test. We don't need that. Where is it? Draw menu. Into create. And let's go ahead and draw some more variables. Creating variables for selecting slots. Okay, so what we're going to do is p slot is going to equal 1. Used to show which slot the player is at. I guess what we really should call it is not slot. We should actually call it row. P-row. Pro. And this stands for products row. There we go. Much more understandable now. Alright, so let's go back into the script right here. And now we're going to draw the perimeters. Let's go ahead and close that. Let's make another script, because this one's going to be pretty long. And we'll call this script shop, because it's for the shop. And let's call this product display. Okay. Yeah, before I actually start drawing inside the script, I like to actually add it, so then it's already added and it's already taken care of. Drawing shops products and its display. And what is it? Script shop product display. Alright, we can open up the script and start our drawing. Drawing the first product. Alright, if p row, I was about to say pre-slot, if p row equals 1, and you could put this into a switch, it would make it a little bit longer if you put it into a switch, because we're also going to tag on the default color look if it does not equal 1. You can do that in a switch, however it will just make more lines of code. So let's see. Else drawing the selected color, and we're going to do draw text color. What is it? Oh yeah, I guess we need to figure out where we probably should start this. I'll say right here. 64, 222, Y and X. Let's do that. XV, 64, YV, 222. We're going to draw a string. Excuse me. Gun. Last name. And we'll make it the color of oh man, I really was not thinking about the designs. Yes, I do know how to design menus, okay. I don't know, I might show you some of the menus I've designed for the project that I'm currently working on, just so you can see that, yeah, okay, I can actually design some menus. However, I was not really thinking about this part right here. So let's go ahead and draw it in black and shoot. Let's try black and aqua. I mean, yeah, we could just go back and change the color of the boxes. That will make these letters appear much more better, but let's just see if this works first, real quick. If it is readable. Okay, it should be readable. Now, there's something that we did kind of forget to do. Let's go to fonts and create a font. And we'll call this Shop Products. Just so that we can get an idea of how it will look with our letters. Let's call this Blast, and let's call this Fire real quick. I'll say the size maybe 18. Yeah, that looks pretty good. High quality, yes. Sure, let's use this one. So let's change this to, I think, 27. 27 should be good with this kind of font. Click OK. And now we need to go ahead and draw, or set up this font, I mean. So, setting up font. Draw set font, and it is Font Shop Products. Just like that. Okay. So yeah, we probably will have to change some of our locations for X and Y, but let's go ahead and see. So we're gonna have to deal with this for a second. Okay, I didn't want to, but we're gonna have to go back to these squares and make them black, or else I'll be spending a lot of time looking at fonts. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. What is it? We need the products and the products info. All of these, let's change to, well, if we change to black, it's going to blend in. Let's go ahead and do silver. Okay. Okay. At least we can see the letters now. Alright, so we have Blast. Now we need to go ahead and draw our other ones down here. We want it to be like, let's see. We want the next one to start like right here. So that's going to be Y03. Let's go back into our product display. Let's go down here and drawing the second product. There we go. The P row equals 2. Then we'll draw this. Else we'll draw that. Let's go ahead and copy, paste this into the else, and now we need, I hate when I do that. There we go. So we need a default color. Let's see. Why don't we make the default color? Let's do black and red. and this will be the same default color for all of them. Okay, same selecting color as well. Alright, so now if we go back, we should see both of the names of our products. Yes, lender is not selected, even though that kind of looks like a selected color. So we're going to swap the two colors. This color will be for selected, this color will be for not selected. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Paste that there, and paste that there. Copy this one, paste that up here. Okay, here we go. Now we need to go ahead and pretty much do the same thing for everything else. But back into here, I like the amount of space there is between these. So now we don't need to really do any more on-screen calculations. All we have to do is simply, well, copy this one, come down here, paste it, change a few things. We'll go ahead and draw fire. And then all we have to do here is calculate the differences. So let me pull out my calculator right here. Well, actually, let me do it on screen. Gotta find my calculator. There we go. Alright, so we have 303 minus 22. We're calculating the y differences. That's 81. So now we know 81 plus 303. The third name needs to be drawn at 384, y. So y will be 384. And then this plus 81, the fourth one would need to be drawn at 465. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. 384. Fourth product, if it equals 4, and this one's going to be Rocky. Oops, Rocky. Alright, cool. Now let's go ahead and change the Y location to 645, 645, 645. Alright, so we should actually have all 4 of our products showing. I'll put 645, hold on. 465. Oh my goodness, what the heck? 465. There we go. And there we have it. Everything nicely lined up. Sweet. Okay, so now we have all of our products displayed based on the row that's selected. We won't be able to select anything because we have not created any inputs yet. Nevertheless, that is the end for this episode. On the next one, what we're going to do is we're going to draw the perimeters for each weapon based on which weapon is being viewed. Alrighty, so stay tuned and check out the next video. Alrighty, so there you have it. Like the video if you like it. If you have any ideas or maybe any questions about how to do particular things within Game Maker Studio, just leave it in the comments below, and if I have any kind of time, I'll actually make a video on that topic as well. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and remember, be real, be true, be yourself.